Okay, let's start from in here. We got 3-inch ABS Franco shear band, right? Then it falls into a 22, which shoots out straight. Let me show you on that side. All right. Okay. This bedding and gravel comes out, shoots straight into a 4x4x3Y. As you can see, there's the hydraulic around the terracotta 4x4. Double clean outs. Goes through. It's a 22. Probably goes straight. As you can hear me walking, I'm not sinking. There's your testy. Then it has 22 bend to a 45. This is where they had screaming fall, and there is your cast iron. We have told the lady to run water, flush all her toilets, do what she had to do, and there was no leaks. Water was flowing, everything looked good. This is what we got.